RoadGlideSully here, checking in from the once independent Lone Star State. I'm doing a VR for Jordan, the Prairie Pipe Shop. Jordan is a pipe maker, and he is celebrating reaching 200 subs. He actually makes some pretty cool pipes. Not that I'm surprised. And so Jordan has asked us to share with him our favorite pipe shape. Favorite pipe shape, favorite anything. For me, that's an interesting question because just like hobbies, I jump from hobby to hobby historically, and the reason for that is because my attention span is very short. It's been that way since I was a kid. What is it? The movie Up, the dog that is constantly seeing the squirrel. That's me. I'm kind of the same way with pipe shapes. So the easiest way for me to figure out, well, do I have a favorite, is I looked at my pipe rack. And it turns out I do have a favorite, or at least I have one that I have apparently bought more than others. And it's not going to be a surprise to most people because it is the official pipe of the YTPC. And you probably already know what I'm talking about. It's not a Friday Savinelli. I have one of those as well. It is the Savinelli 320. The 320, I've got 3 of these suckers. 3 different 320s. I've got a Series 3 that is nicely patinaed, thanks to my greasy hands. I've got a Rossi 320. It was rusticated. This is my 320 Trevi. And this was one of the very first, well, it actually was the very first brand new pipe that I bought. And I've loved these ever since. There are some nuances with them. The Trevi has a very small step on the bit, and that makes it kind of hard to clinch. But there are times when I like that. Both of the other 320s have a nice little step. It makes it nice and easy to kind of connect with your teeth and set down in the cracks between your teeth. It makes it a little bit easier. People complain that these are heavy pipes. They are heavier than most other pipes, but not by much. They're a little end heavy, and I think that's the problem because they're a fairly straight pipe. They have a slight bend, but they tend to kind of pull down at the end, and I think that's probably what aggravates folks in terms of being able to clench a 320. I don't have a problem with it. I'm a big guy, and a big guy sometimes needs a big pipe. In retrospect, I didn't really think that I had a favorite pipe, but Jordan, you kind of helped me realize that maybe I do. Maybe I do have a favorite pipe. That said, I don't smoke these all the time. I love rotating through all of my pipes. I do have a little bit of a special place for the 320. They are, as we say in the YTPC, good smokers. Great pipes. Love all 3 of them. Probably will end up buying more. In fact, I was kind of eyeing another one of the Series 3 unfinished pipes. I really like the way they kind of create their own patina. And I'm even thinking about maybe playing with my own rustication on one of these. And then finishing it maybe a different color. So anyway, that's my favorite pipe. Jordan, congrats to 200 subs. Not surprising, you make some pretty cool pipes. I look forward to the opportunity to winning one of your pipes. So anyway, Jordan, congrats. 200 subs. Until next time, I am RoadGlideSully. Keep your upper side down.